Chapter 2 Operating System Basics. Operating system. Like our parents manage and take care of everything around us, similarly, an operating system in our computer takes care of our computer. It manages everything and make all the software work. An operating system, OS, is the most important software without which a computer cannot run. Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Functions of an operating system. It controls the hardware devices like keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. It manages all the resources of the computer. It keeps track of all the programs and guides the operations of the computer according to our instructions. Types of operating system based on user interface. A user interface is the way through which we interact to the computer. There are two main types of user interfaces. Character User Interface, CUI. In CUI, we interact to the computer through command-based instructions. We give text-based commands which interpreted or understood by the operating system to get desired work done. Microsoft Disk Operating System, MS-DOS, is an example of CUI. Graphical User Interface, GUI. In GUI, we interact with the computer through graphics icons and other visual elements such as menu. All modern operating systems are GUI-based. Users can easily select the picture-based graphical elements through pointing devices such as mouse, stylus, or finger on a touchscreen. In this chapter, we will learn about Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 is the advanced version of Windows 8. Windows 10 operating system. Microsoft Windows 10 is one of the most popular operating systems. It offers a user-friendly interface. The interface has various components which help the user to work efficiently and effectively on the computer. Features of Windows 10. It is a GUI-based operating system. It has improved taskbar and start menu. A voice assistant named Cortana has been included. It supports touchscreen devices. Windows 10 Desktop and its components. After switching on the computer, the first screen that appears on the monitor is the desktop. If you have set a login user profile, then the desktop appears after authorization. Icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Desktop background. It is the image that appears at the back of our icons. It is also known as wallpaper. Taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the screen. It is further divided into the following options. Let's learn about these options in detail. Start button. Start button is located at the extreme left of the taskbar. When we click this button, a start menu and a tile-based start screen opens. All the programs and settings can be accessed from here. It has two panes as shown in the following figure. Left pane displays a list of programs called apps and settings. Right pane has application icons in the form of tiles. Search box. Using search box, we can quickly search and open a program or an application on the computer. Task View button. The Task View button opens the thumbnail icons of all the running applications. We can click on any of these to make that window active. Middle section. The middle section of the taskbar displays the icons of pinned applications and running applications. Notification area. It is present at the right corner of the taskbar. It displays time, date, and a group of small icons that tell us about the status of some programs running on the computer. Show Desktop button. This button hides all the visible windows and allows the user to view the full desktop. Customizing the Start menu. We can customize the Start menu to suit our needs. To rearrange tiles. If we don't like the way our tiles are arranged on the Start menu, we can rearrange them. To move a tile, simply click and drag it to the desired location. In this example, we are moving the Microsoft Edge tile. To resize tiles. To make a tile bigger or smaller, right-click the tile, select Resize, then choose the desired size. Pinning and unpinning tiles. If we want to add a tile to the Start menu, we can pin it. We can also unpin tiles we don't use very often. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Find and right-click the desired app. Then select Pin to Start. The app will be pinned to the Start menu. In this example, we are pinning the Calendar app. Step 3. We can remove any tile by right-clicking, then selecting Unpin from Start. Basic operations on the desktop. Opening desktop icons. Double-click on the icon that we desire to open, or click on the icon which we want to select and press the Enter key, or right-click on the program, select Open from the appeared menu. The application window will open. Moving desktop icons. Single-click on the icon and drag it to its new location. Arrange the desktop icons. As we arrange our study desk to make it tidy, likewise, we can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. We will find the list of options. Step 2. Select the View button. Step 3. Click on the Auto Arrange Icons option from the sub-menu. Observe the changes. Sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper sequence. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Point to the Sort By option and click on the Name sub-option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Setting wallpaper. We can change the appearance of the desktop background according to our choice in the following way. Step 1. Right-click on Desktop and a menu will appear. Step 2. Click on Personalize option. Step 3. A Settings dialog box appears. Click on Background. Step 4. Select the wallpaper from the displayed options. Step 5. Click on Close button to close the window. The selected picture is selected as the new desktop background. Shutting down a computer. When we are done using our computer, it's important to shut it down properly. To do this, click on the Start button, then choose Power icon, Shut down. Wrap up. The operating system is like a manager who manages the computer resources. Windows 10 is the most recent version of operating system developed by Microsoft. Desktop is the main screen that we see after starting the computer. Desktop background, wallpaper, is the background picture of the desktop. Task View button allows us to quickly visit the open windows and applications. We can do basic operations on the desktop like rearranging tiles, pinning and unpinning tiles,